Hello everyone, welcome back to Rare Game Official. Today we are going to learn about conditions for the formation of ionic bond. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Without delay, let's get started. Conditions for the ionic bond formation: low ionization energy, electron affinity and lattice energy. These are the parameters are favorable for the condition favorable for the formation of ionic bond. First, ionization energy or ionization enthalpy. Definition of ionization energy: amount of energy is required to remove an electron from outermost orbit of an isolated gaseous atom to form the positive ion or cation. Okay. Ionic bond. What is ionic bond? Complete transfer of electrons from one atom to another atom to attain the nearest noble gas configuration, which means one atom has to gain electrons, another atom has lose electron, and it means one atom has lower ionization energy, another atom has higher ionization energy. The difference between two atoms is very large. Ionization potential is increases from left to right and decreases from top to bottom. Electron affinity. Amount of energy is released when an electron is added to an isolated gaseous atom to form negative ion. And third parameter is lattice energy. It is defined as it is the amount of energy is needed to break one mole of bonds into constituents. See, if NaCl, the amount of energy is needed to break one mole of bonds into its constituents Na plus and Cl minus. The energy is released when constituents combine to form one mole of compound. Energy is released. See, if different constituents Na plus and Cl minus combine together, it form NaCl compound. Whenever it combining together, it releases energy. That's why lattice energy is exothermic as well as endothermic process. Whenever the molecule breaks into different constituents, the energy is absorbed. Energy is different constituents combining together to form molecule. It is energy released process, means exothermic and endothermic process. I will take one example to explain all these parameters. See, MgCl2, magnesium has 2 electrons in outermost orbital, chlorine has 7 electrons in outermost orbital. Magnesium belongs to second group and if chlorine 17th group. Okay, magnesium, if ionization energy, electron affinity and lattice energy, these are the parameters are favorable for the formation of ionic bond. Ionization energy is increases from left to right. Here magnesium is second group, means magnesium has lower ionization potential. Chlorine, from actually what we discussed, ionization energy is increases from left to right. So chlorine has higher ionization energy. Magnesium has lower ionization energy. The difference between magnesium and chlorine has high difference is very large. Magnesium Cl2, magnesium has 282 configuration, chlorine has 287 configuration. See, if observe, magnesium if loses 2 electrons, it gains noble gas configuration. chlorine has one electron less to noble gas configuration. Whenever it attains one electron, it attains the noble gas configuration. Magnesium has two electrons. Whenever it donates one electron to chlorine, it attains noble gas configuration. One more electron has present in magnesium. To attain noble gas configuration, one more chlorine has to one more chlorine wants to magnesium donate one more electron to another chlorine. Both chlorines attains noble gas configuration. Magnesium has now 2 8 configuration. Magnesium also attains noble gas configuration. It lost 2 electrons, so Mg plus, it gain 1 electron, Cl minus. This chlorine also gain 1 electron, so it is represented as Cl minus. Electron affinity is increases from left to right. Ionization energy is increases from left to right. Magnesium is second group. Chlorine is belongs to 17th group. The difference between magnesium has lower ionization energy, lower electron affinity. Chlorine has higher ionization potential and higher electron affinity. So the difference between these two atoms is very large. The ionic bond is formed between metal and non-metal. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.